Everyone knows about the black holes, and according to my last video, I said you about the white holes too. But what happens if the black hole and the white hole both crash and merge into each other? Does the black hole survive or the white hole survive or both survive or die? If you want to know this, keep watching this video. Aalisi with Ankith. Fact number 1. In our last video, we talked about the darkest black in the world, that is muso black, which absorbs 99.9% of light. But only after 3 hours after I posted that video, a darker black has been invented. Wow, that's amazing, right? Even amazing thing about that is the name of that is not a color. It is a sheet. It is called as IR flock sheet, infrared flock sheet. What is the special thing about this? How much light does this sheet absorb? This sheet absorbs 99.75% of light falling on it. Now I said muso black absorbs 99.9% of light. Then how is this darker than muso black? Now listen to the twist. Muso black absorbs 99.9% of visible light, not the infrared light, but this sheet absorbs 99.75% of both infrared light and visible light. Wow, that's amazing. Fact number 2. We have seen many shapes in our life, like a square, rectangle and many 3D solid shapes and all. But they have points like equilibrium points and unequilibrium points. To know what these points are, I am going to use this object, a mobile. It is not too complicated. Equilibrium points are points in which the object turns and stands like this. So this is an equilibrium point and this is an equilibrium point. This is a stable point and this is a stable point. But there are many unequilibrium points which are unstable points, like here, here, here and here. The mobile does not stand like that only. It comes to a stable point. But the least stable or equilibrium and unequilibrium points together was recorded as 4, as a great scientist said. But to prove that this is wrong, another scientist found many types of pebbles and tried to find only 2 equilibrium points in it. And he was successful. He found a shape called as gombok. This has only 2 points. One equilibrium point and one unequilibrium point. That is it. Only 2 points. Like a simple mobile has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But that shape has only 2 points. Wow, that is something mind-blowing. Fact number 3. Many people think of this particular question. Why can't I walk on water? It is a simple answer. That is, when we walk on water, the liquid has space in it. It does not have that much interparticular force in it. That is why, because of the tensional force between our leg and the water, makes us not stand stable on the water. Water is always an unstable equilibrium point. So, it's a simple answer. As of no tensional force and the tensional force which is preventing us from standing on water, we can't walk on water. Fact number 4. We have heard of semi-solids, semi-liquids and things like state matters like that. A semi-solid, for example, is lava. But does the lava act like solid sometimes or a liquid sometimes? It is just a semi-solid, not even a liquid or a solid. But a state of matter called as oobleck, or to be specific, are objects made up of oobleck do stuff like this. It is amazing. Do you know what it does? It turns into solid when pierced and turns into liquids when cut, which means it is very strong. Even a bullet passing through it, it is very hard for a bullet passing through it. Whoa, that is stronger than our body, I guess. Fact number 5. Oh, no, grenade! Oh, hi. You're thinking, how did I survive the grenade blast? I was still on land, right? I would have gone in water literally beside me. Why did I not go in there? For this, there is an answer. But before that, let's learn what a grenade is. A grenade is made up of many bullets in it which explodes when the force is throwing it out. A single groove in it, as you have seen it, is a single bullet. When you are on land, it throws all the bullets in all directions, which has a big chance of hitting you. But if you move 15 feet away from the grenade and face your legs towards the grenade, you have a very 1% chance for a bullet to hit you, and if also hits you, there is a very less chance of it being lethal. But if you go on water, there is a special case. That is, you have a 0% chance for a bullet hitting you. But still you are gonna die. Why? Because of the force produced by the grenade blast. It is gonna squeeze your lungs and kill you instantly over there. So next time, think and choose your option if a grenade sword expired you. Fact number 6. Have you ever thought of getting a little bit of toothpaste and make it a huge amount? Then you're at the right place. Buy elephant toothpaste from me. What's that? Listen the amazing fact about this. If you get 1 gallon of elephant toothpaste, it can produce up to 10 times more than its size. Once a YouTuber broke the world record of most produced elephant toothpaste. This is a type of comedy. What happened is, he put a full elephant toothpaste gallon in his house and it filled his whole site, and he had to bring a new house for him. Tragedy. Fact number 7. Have you wondered a solid being as dense as air? Yes, there is a solid as same as what you think. It is called as aerogel. It is the least dense solid in the whole world, and it is few times more than the density of air. Wow! Making this is very simple. Just bring a packet of jello and make jelly from it and remove all the air inside it or all the solid particles inside it without touching it or without breaking any part of that jelly. Then the result is aerogel. It is 99.8% air in it, as it is that least dense. The fun fact about this aerogel is, if you keep an layer of aerogel below chocolate and light a Bunsen burner, it takes a lots and lots of time to melt compared to without aerogel for a chocolate to melt. Let me make some aerogel and try to melt chocolate. Fact number 8. Once NASA did a rocket launch which failed, but for a silly reason, for a little mistake that JPL and Lockheed Martin did. The mistake was, JPL measured the amount of petrol or the amount of gas put in it in metric units, and Lockheed Martin measured the amount of gas put in it in imperial units, which caused a great loss of $328 million, which was lost forever in 1999. Fact number 9. The bucket wheel excavator. This transport is the largest land transport in the whole world, which can cut through the earth or the surface of the earth in one cut with a wheel, which can cut through a lot of land at once and can fill a big truck one scoop. Fact number 10. What if a black hole and a white hole crash and merge into each other? If you want to know this, you have come to the right place. First, let us learn what a black hole and a white hole is. Black hole does not let anything go out of it. It expands and pulls everything in it. But white hole does not let go anything in it, which throws out everything into the space. But what if a black hole and a white hole merge into each other? There is a simple solution. Black hole absorbs everything in it, but white hole throws everything out of it. When a white hole comes near a black hole, it will absorb the white hole in it, so the black hole will stay as a black hole and the white hole will be destroyed. So friends, if you like this video, merge the like and subscribe button to form the share button and click all of them. And for more amazing facts like this, keep watching Aalisi with Ankith.